All right, what's up, guys? We're here at the Hub and we're checking out the new renovations. My name's Hope, and we're gonna see what people think.
I honestly like it.
Yeah, I really like it. I feel like it suits this generation style, and I think it's like really cool and like minimalist, but still like I feel like I'm in college.
I like the no steps in the beginning. A lot of people are like, "What about the steps?" I don't really care about the steps. Saves me more time to walk up the steps.
Yeah. I also like the doors and the windows, the sitting area. I feel like it'll make it more open, and it won't feel like a hub.
That too, and I like the natural light because we only have the sunroof here,
Yeah.
but like you get more natural light in.
Going downstairs
Just
too.
makes everybody happier too.
I am so excited. Both my parents went here and they say that it looks the same as it did in 1992 when they graduated. So all three of us are going to be super excited to see the new hub.
I'm here with the Red Devil, so what do you think of the new Hub renovations? Sounds good.
I definitely think it's impressive, and change is always welcome. We need change, so to see that we're going to like a more modern feel makes me excited about the college.
It looks very modern. It looks fresh.
We needed an update, definitely.
Well, firstly, I don't know when it's going to happen, which might be after I graduate, so that would be really sad. But I think it looks really cool and great, and I think it's modern and good.
Very nice.
I think it's really beautiful. I think it's very inviting, and I think it's something the student body needs to see. So, good job on Dickinson's part.